Yeah? Put on your pants. You like your shoes? Go show Grandma your shoes. Go show her your shoes. You're going to put on your shoes? Put on your shoes. Okay, show Grandma your shoes. Go show Grandma your shoes. Show Grandma your shoes. Okay? Put on your shoes. Put them on. Put on your Crocs.